Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how I avoid a cakey face. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I go from this to a beautiful, cakeless, smooth, flawless face. Okay, so the first step is to actually spray any type of like Fix Plus. This is coconut rose water, which I love. The only spot I didn't do was my forehead, my nose, but I did do my cheeks. Spray this all over. Screw the primer. If you're ashy, then go ahead and use lotion, but if you're not ashy then and you're oily, this is the perfect skin routine for you. So I went ahead and just used the coconut rose water that I always use, and I'm applying the foundation. The foundation that I'm using is in the color Bare. So I'm gonna go ahead and try not to rub this in, just like dab it in. And what I really love about this foundation is that it does not like dry fast. It's water-based, so I really love that because that means that I can take my time, but I'm kind of already used to working really fast with my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep blending that out. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I kind of kept this area right here bare, as well as in here, out here, and around here. I did not put too much foundation. You can still see a little bit of like my redness, but that's fine because I'm gonna go ahead and conceal that up with some foundation. But for the most part, I believe like my forehead looks really good, very like flawless. And this is without primer. Like, I know that most of you are probably like screeching like, ew, why is she doing that? Like, that clogs your pores. Yes, honey, everything clogs your pores. Don't worry about it. Just clean your face. Okay, so now taking the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics. The price of this one was $24, which isn't that bad because I hear that the Laura Mercier one is like, no sé, but I know that shit's expensive. So just as a FYI, in case I forgot to mention, but I don't like to use damp beauty blenders. That just defeats the whole purpose. So make sure that your beauty blender is 100% dry. Same thing with your brush. You want to make sure everything is dry, because if not, you will get like this squeaky, ugly looking look. So what do you guys think so far? I'm still baking, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade Sculpt, which is this color right here. And I'm going to take this on a Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to go ahead and take this right here in this area. What I like to do is just go around the face of the perimeter of my face. Just a little bit. And underneath the lips to make them appear a lot larger. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a different palette. So this palette is the Purr palette, the Purr Sculptor palette. So it looks like this, and this one smells like chocolate. I'm only taking the contour like only in this area right here, and I feel like this is essential. Like, if you don't contour or highlight, I feel like you look like a papaya. Not a papaya, but a potato. How do you say potato? Una papa. There you go. You look like a papa, like with no shape. I mean, of course everybody has a beautiful shape underneath their face, but when you wear foundation and powder and you have no contour whatsoever, you're gonna look weird. Trust. I mean, just a little goes a long way, you know. Or you can even just bronze it up just to add a little bit more definition. So I'm gonna just leave it like that because me estoy exagerando on a little simple day look. So the next step is to wipe off this ¿cómo se llama? This powder. Once I wipe it off, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and some highlight. I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys, and then the lips. Thought I'd show you guys how I remove this baking powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a Firma 102 brush and swipe it off. Like, don't rub it in, like just swipe it off. Like, don't waste that product. Like, try to let it in. Like, it's gonna soak in most of the stuff because of your face, the warmth of it. And I like to kind of blend in the nose because I want it to actually stay in the areas where I'm like really oily. Just lightly blending. It's like you're blending it off your face, but you're also blending it in as well. And underneath the eyes as well. Like just doing small little strokes, removing the little excess of the powder, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my highlight as well. What I like to use is this brush. This is like my favorite brush, and I like to take the one and only Sleek makeup palette, which is Beat to Death. So I'm not going to go ahead and spray anything on the brush, because I feel like with this palette you don't really need anything. I mean, your highlight is going to be there no matter what. Trust, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and just applied some mascara. I believe it was the One and Wild one, and then Twig. I forgot that I had that highlighter and I smeared it around here, so that's why my lip looks a little weird. What I like to do is just kind of like finish it with some coconut rose water. So I did not taste good. So basically what the coconut rose water is, or like any type of like rose water, anything like that, what it is, it's basically you could use it as a primer and as a setting spray, and that's what I love. I don't know if you guys can just see like how good my skin looks. I'm really hoping that it looks really good, because I feel like this whole routine thing has just made a whole difference in my life. I will no longer ever use a primer. However, I will scrub the crap out of my face after I am done with my makeup. So let me know what you guys think down at the comments below, and let me know your face routine. Let me know like what you guys think works for you, and I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.